Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create composition from Photoshop in After Effects. So here we are going to create composition from Photoshop, and we are going to create one underwater sea animation. So this is going to be pretty interesting. So without any further delay, let's get started. Alright, so our first work is in Adobe Illustrator. I'll go to Window, I'll go to Symbol Libraries, and from there we'll go to Nature. Now I'll take some underwater plants like this, and then we'll take this to Photoshop. So make sure you have all these softwares downloaded. I'll make them a bit bigger, just like this. Now after it's done, let's go to Photoshop, and from there I'll take blue colors. First of all, I will take a deep blue color basically, and then I'll take a bit light blue color, and then I will take the gradient tool. After that I will use this gradient tool just like this. Alright, so this color is not that good actually, so I want to change it. Alright, let's undo this and let's change the color basically. This kind of a color, and I'll do like this. Okay, so the deep side will be yes, like this. Let's go to Illustrator and let's copy this plant. Just press Command and C if you are on Mac, or if you are on Windows just press Control and C. Then in Photoshop press Control and V or Command and V. Press OK. I'll just resize it a bit, and I'll place them here. If something like this occurs, just stop it. Alright, now you can copy it by pressing Alt on your keyboard or Option if you are using Mac, and then just drag and drop it like this. After that I will take other plant and again Command and C since I'm using a Mac, and then I'll go to Photoshop and Command and V, press on OK, and then I'll just resize it a bit and I'll place it at this side. Just stop this process. Done. Now I will copy this. I'll press Option and I will just drag it over here. So it's been copied. Now you can select all this, press Command and E or Control and E, and I will just rename it plants. I will rename the background, that is layer 1, to background, and I will lock it. If you want to lock it, just press on this lock button. Yes, this lock button over here. So it's done. Now I'll again go to Illustrator, and now I want some fishes since we are creating an underwater animation. So I'll again go to Nature from that option, and I will take some fishes over from here like this one. This looks a bit like a shark kind of. I will take some other fishes as well like this one. This one I won't use all of them, I would just use some of these. So I'll take this one as well, and also this one. This might be sufficient. Alright, now I will resize it. You can also resize it in Photoshop. So just like this I will resize all of these fishes, and so we'll keep the shark a bit bigger, and this one like this. Okay, it looks pretty great. So now I will copy it by Command C. We'll go to Photoshop and then Command V, click on OK, and it's done. Let's copy the shark and paste it in Photoshop. Command V, OK. Alright, so I'll again go to Illustrator, and I will copy this fish actually, and go to Photoshop again, and I will just paste it over here. So that's done. Let's take just another fish. Don't need any more actually. 4 fishes will be sufficient. So I'll again go to Photoshop and paste the next fish. Okay, and it's done. Now we have to save this. So just okay, I'll just okay. Let's go to File. Let me resize it a bit. Alright, let's go to File, go to Save, and I'll save it on my computer actually, and I will name it C. I'll save it in Documents, click on Save, and click on OK. Now let's move into After Effects, and I will just double click and I will click on C. Now from here, if you directly imported, it won't be good. So select Composition, retain layer size, and then import it. I'll just double click in that file and see this kind of a composition appears. From here we can animate all these layers separately. So basically what I wanted is the fishes will go here and there. So 2 fishes will go at the same direction. So I'll just right click, go to transform, and then flip horizontal. So these 2 fishes will go on the right hand side, and the other 2 fishes will go on the left hand side, right? So I will open the position for all of them. First of all, for this one actually, so open the position, I'll give a animation keyframe, and I will go to here, and then I will take it outside of the frame. Now let's do this for the other fishes as well. So it will take some time, you need to be patient, and you can also use speed graph to do this, but we are going to learn that in some other videos. Alright, so I'll take this here. Now it's the last fish, this one. So I will again put the keyframe in position, and I will take the playhead to the next animation, and alright, so that's done. So this is basically a very basic animation where the fishes are moving in water. So you can do it like this, and I will make the frame a bit short, and what I will do is I will select all of them, select all these layers. I'll go to edit and then split layers from here. So these layers will get split. I will select all of them, right click, transform, and flip horizontal. So what will happen is now we will animate them into the opposite direction. So I'll put keyframes over here so that it looks a bit more realistic. Now I will take the playhead to like away, and then we will animate the fishes to this opposite direction just like this, and we have to do this for all the fishes once again. So basically all the fishes will now go to the opposite directions. So this is very basic animation which you can do. Wait a minute. All right, so I will take this to this side, and I will take this one to the other side, and it's done. So let's see what we have created. Alright, so it became a bit faster, so you can use a speed graph for that, but I'm not going to do it in this video. So what I will do is I will just select all the keyframes from here. Let me open all the keyframes. So from here I am going to select all these keyframes just like this, and after selecting the keyframes I will just take them away from the other keyframes, so it will become slower. It's still now a bit fast, so I will move them more away. Okay, so now it becomes slow. It comes like this and then like this. So now it looks a bit more realistic. So just like this you can create some basic animations. Okay, that's it. So let's see what we have actually created. So this is a very basic animation which we have just created. I hope you have learned how to import composition from Photoshop. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.